Hey guys, it's me, Potato from the Blind Knights, and today I will be playing Undertale. So, my brother's not here, and I gotta get used to that because I'm gonna play a lot. We have more one-player games and two-player games, so we gotta get used to that. Where Cookie's not gonna be here. But, yeah, most of our videos we try to do together because our name is the Blind Knights, so, yeah. Let's continue. And here we are. We didn't see last episode. Last episode we met this woman named Toriel. I don't know if she was she kind of looked like a goat, and like she was a goat probably. And we there was this evil flower who wanted to kill us. And then there's a little recap from earlier where we were walking and we met a skeleton named Sans. And yeah, wait guys, I need to fix this so you can see the options. Wait. Okay, hold up guys. There you go guys, so now you can see the options. Isn't it better when you can see the options? Okay, let's do that. Oh, you can, let's make a joke. You make a bad ice bomb. Is that supposed to be funny? Okay, no. Please don't hurt me. What are those, moons or whatever? Snowdrake is practicing its next pun. Joke? Let's do another joke. You make a bad ice pun. Haha, nice try. So, if we do a joke, is he just gonna, like, what if we laugh? You laugh at Snowdrake before it says anything funny. What are you laughing at? Oh. Did we just laugh at him? Laugh again. You laugh at Snowdrake before... No, stop. Okay, do we have to make another joke so that he can... Wait, Sticky, could we spare him the whole time? Ugh. Snowdrake is smiling at his own bed. Can we laugh? Is it... But it said a funny thing. It said... Ugh. Stop it, Snowdrake. You're really confusing me. Joke. You make a bad ice cream. Is that supposed to be funny? What am I supposed to do, Joe? Snowdrake? Laugh. You laugh at Snowdrake before... You know, I'm just gonna run away. Or can I heckle? But that's bad. You know, I just spared. Guys, I'm doing terrible. I am doing terrible. There we go. Screw you. Wait, this can heal us, right? The convenience of the lamp. Still, blah, blah, blah. Okay. And yeah, there was a convenient lamp. Use the box. There's a tough glove. Are we gonna find other... Oh, by the way, there's a skeleton named Papyrus as well. So, as I was saying about undying. Who's undying? Is it okay, Papyrus? You good? No. Why is he spinning? Okay. Sans, oh my god, is that a human? A tree? I think that's wrong. Oh. Hey, it's not in front of the rock. Oh my god! Is that a human? Yes. Oh my god! Sans, I finally did it! Undying will. I'll be so popular. Human, you shall not pass this area. I, the great Papyrus, will stop you. I will then capture you. You'll be delivered to the capital. Dead! I'm not sure what's next. In any case, continue only if you dare. Well, that went well. Don't sweat it, kid. I'll keep an eye socket out for you. Okay, so... Oh! This better not be a... Oh! It's an ice cap. Okay. Compliment. That's the only thing you get. For ice cap that has a great hat. Duh! Who doesn't know? Oh god! What is this? Cap also wants. Wait, what do you say? Ice Cap also wants a hat for its nose. I mean, you do have a carrot for your nose. Ignore. You managed to tear your eyes away from Ice Cap's mouth. It looks annoyed. What? What are you doing? Oh, this attack again. If I figure out the pattern, it'll be it. Ice Cap is secretly checking if you're looking at its hat. You inform Ice Cap that has a great hat. Dog doesn't know. Are you kidding? So what are we supposed to do? These Snowden monsters are a little bit hard to handle. Ice Cap is secretly steal. Okay. My hat's too loud for me to hear you. What do you mean it's too loud? Hats can't speak. Wait, Cappy. Dun, 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 dun. Ice Cap is secretly checking if you're looking at his hat. No, I'm not. You consider I'm not looking at his hat. It seems defeated. Fine, I don't care. I think you really care, buddy. Finally! Jeez. This is gonna be how it is the whole time. Then, I think I'm gonna faint. Okay, what's this sign say? I just want to... Absolutely no moving! Okay. He said no moving. Guys, he wants me to not move, so I'm not gonna move. I'm kidding, okay, let's go. Hello, Mr. Dog. Is that a dog? It's a dog. Did something move? Was it my imagination? I can only see moving things. Something was moving. For example, a human. I'll make sure it never moves again. Oh, is that why it said not to move? Doggo blocks the way. Awesome name, by the way. Pet. Doggo is too suspicious of your movement. Don't move an inch. What the? Wait. Ah! Moving. Doggo is confirming the moving object. Wait, so what was I supposed to do for that, Pet? Doggo is too suspicious of your movement. Oh my god. No. Wait a sec. It didn't hurt me. Doggo can't seem to find anything. Spider donut. You ate the spider donut. You recovered total. Well, move this time. What the? What's going on? It just goes over me. Pet again? You pet Doggo. What? I've been pet. 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 Doggo has been pet. Oh, okay. There you go. Something pet me. Something that isn't moving. I'm gonna need some dog treats for this. Okay, bye-bye. So what was that? Oh, Sans. Hello, Sans. Hey, here's something important to remember. My brother has a very special attack. If you see a blue attack, don't move it. It won't hurt. I'm so dumb. No wonder when I stopped, it didn't hurt me. So, blue attack. I gotta keep that in mind. Blue attacks, you don't move, okay? Here's an easy way to keep it in mind. Imagine a stop sign. When you see a stop sign, you stop, right? Stop signs are red, so imagine a blue stop sign instead. Simple, right? When fighting, think about blue stop signs. Okay, what's up here? Hi, Wait, it's a snowman. Hello, I am a snowman. I want to see the world, but I cannot move. If you would be so kind, traveler, please. Take a piece of me and bring it very far away. Yeah! Thank you, good. Look, you got the snowman piece. Woohoo! I'm gonna bring you very far away, buddy. Far away to the galaxy. You're so lazy. You were napping all night. I think that's called sleeping. Excuses. Fire sounds like a maniac. Oh, the human arrives. In order to stop you, my brother and I have created some puzzles. I think you will find this one quite shocking. For you see, this is the invisible electricity maze. When you touch the walls of this maze, this orb will administer a hearty zap. Sound like fun? Because the amount of fun you'll probably be having is actually rather small, I think. Okay, you can go ahead now. How do I... What the... Sans, what did you do? I think the human has to hold the orb. Oh, okay. Wait a second, his footprints are... All this, please. Okay, try now. So we just follow the thing. Don't go off, or else I'm gonna get that. Incredible, you slippery snail.
You solved it so easily, too easily. However, the next puzzle will not be easy. It is designed by my brother and you will surely be confounded. I know I am.
Did you just do the moonwalk? Hi! I don't understand why you are so. It's the perfect weather for something cold.
Oh, a customer! Hello, would you like some ice cream?
It's a frozen treat that warms your heart. Now just 15G. So it's like ice cream, but like nice cream. Okay. Here you go. Have a super day. You got the nice cream. Ooh, I got some nice cream. Oh, hi, Stams. I've been thinking about side treats too. Want some fried snow? It's just 5G. Sure. Did I say 5G? I bet 50G. I don't think I had that much. No, you're right. That's still too low. Oh, God. Sans, you gotta sell stuff free. Okay, what's this? His. Hers. What? Smell danger rating. Snow smells. Snowman white rating. Kid become yellow rating. Unsuspicious smell. Puppy blue rating. Smell of rolling around. Weird smell. Humans green rating. Destroy at all costs. That was weird. Okay. Bye. Okay. Ooh, it's a snowball. Okay. It looks like a snowball. Actually, it's a snow. It's a snow deck. I don't know. I'm leaving.
Hillman, I hope you're ready for. Sans, where's the puzzle?
It's right there on the ground. Trust me. There's no way they can get past this one. What is it? Monster Kids word search.
Hey kids, can you help me solve this puzzle?
I don't think. How do I can't. Guy-esque. That's not even a word. I see it at the top. I'm just gonna solve it. You know, I'm not gonna solve it. Hello.
Sans, that didn't do anything.
Whoops. I knew I should have used today's crossword instead. Actually, you should have gave me a pencil. And then Sans, you were too lazy.
Like crossword? I can't believe you said that. In my opinion, Junior Jumble is easily the hardest.
What's Junior Jumble?
What? Really?
I'm What? Really, dude? Not easy peasy word scramble. That's for baby bones.
Unbelievable. Helen, solve this dispute.
I mean, crossword I couldn't even do, but I don't even know what jumble is. Crossword.
You two are weird. Crosswords are so easy. It's the same solution every time. I fill the boxes in with the letter Z. Because every time I look at a crossword, all I can do is snore. Yeah.
Wow, he likes to say yeah. Papyrus finds difficulty in interesting places. That's sorry, he got stumped trying to solve the hardwood. I skipped to it. Star. Knowing the mouse might one day find a way to heat up the spaghetti fills you with determination. Is that spaghetti? What? It's a plate of frozen spaghetti. It's so cold, it's stuck to the table. What's this? It's a note from Papyrus.
Hillman, please enjoy this spaghetti. Little do you know, this spaghetti is a trap designed to intense you. You'll be so busy eating it that you won't realize that you aren't progressing. Thoroughly trapped again by the great Papyrus.
Papyrus. Okay. Bye. I'm not gonna eat this spaghetti. Oh god, how do I get. Wait, is this not a puzzle? Oh, it's a doggy. I'm gonna pet it. The only thing I can do. You barely lift your hand unless your dog got outside. Pet.
Ah! Hello.
Oh, I can do that? No, one more pet. Is it just me or is his neck getting taller? You lightning touch the dog. It's already overexcited.
Pet.
Oh, blue tax. You pet the dog. It raises its head to meet your hand. Come. Ah! He actually hit me. See, if you were doing genocide, why would you ever kill a little dog? I mean, look at that face. He's a good dog.
Excited noises.
Oh, stop. Go. Okay. You pet the dog. Its excitement now knows no bound. Excited noises. Oh, Hey, that was different. Just got hit. Pet. Critical pet. Dog something increased. Wait, it doesn't even attack? Oh shoot. I did check. You have to jump up to pet the dog. Woo! You didn't even pet it. It gets even more excited. Woohoo! There's no way to stop this madness. Plus the dog enters the realm of the clouds. You call the dog, but it's too late. I cannot hear you. Oh, I can see its head. You can reach Lesser Dog again. You pet Lesser Dog. Oh, it's getting tiring. Okay, I think it should stop now. That's it. Woohoo! Okay, what's this puzzle? Is this like... What is this? A maze or something? Go for X. I don't understand. Wait a sec. That area looks like this, and then trees, tree. So that's tree. Oh, is this like a pirate map? X marks the spot, so I gotta go where that is. Tree, tree, tree. Okay, in the middle of the tree. So somewhere here. There's a switch hidden in the snow. Click. Woohoo! So does that mean I solved the puzzle? That was actually pretty easy when you get to know it. Okay. Okay, let's go. Is there another pair of dogs or wolves? Hello? What's that smell? What is that smell? If you're a smell, identify your smell. Okay, I turned that into kind of like a song. What the? Here's that weird smell. It makes me want to eliminate you! Doggy assault you. Aww. Okay. Doggy. Pet! The dogs are too suspicious of your smell. Paws off, you smelly human. That's not your husband, okay? Okay, come on, we can do this. No! I got hit by a heart. Stop! It's not Valentine's Day. Okay. Roll around? You roll around in the dirt and snow. You smell like a weird puppy. Number 2, Nuzzle Champs, 98. Of course, Beaver second. Dogs may want to re-smell you. Oh, re-sniff. The dog sniff you get. After rolling in the dirt, you smell alright. What? Smells like a... Are you actually a little puppy? Wait, wouldn't you guys know? Because you're not blind, are you? The dogs think that you may be a lost puppy. Pet! You pet Doggy. Wow, pet by another pup? Well, don't leave me out. Oh god, what's this attack? What's this attack? The dogs think that you may be a lost puppy. Okay, so I think Dogger... Oh no, I accidentally did check. I think she wants me to pet her because she said, pet the Doggerisa. A dog that pets his dogs? Amazing. What about me? I already pet you, Doggy. Yes! Okay, spin. You earn 0 XP and 40 gold. Wow, that's a lot. Dogs can pet other dogs. A new world has opened up for us. Thanks, weird puppy. What the? What's that? Turn every X into an O, then press the switch. So how do I... Oh, just touch it. So this is easy. Hi, Papyrus. Easy. Hello.
What? How'd you avoid my trap? And more importantly, is there any left for me?
What do you mean? What do you tell Papyrus about his spaghetti? Oh, spaghetti? Gotta be honest, I left it.
Really? Wowie, you resisted the flavor of my homemade
cooked pasta.
Just so you could share it with me? Fret not, human. I, Master Chef Papyrus, will make you all the pasta you could ever want. Heh, 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 yeah.
That was like the opposite way around. Okay. Hello. Oh, what's this?
Human! how do I say this? You were taking a long time to arrive, so I decided to improve this puzzle by arranging the snow to look more like my face. Unfortunately, the snow floats to the ground. Now the solution is different, and as usual, my lazy brother is nowhere around. I suppose what I am saying is, worry not, human. I, the great papyrus, will solve this conundrum. Then we can both proceed. Meanwhile, feel free to try the puzzle yourself. I'll try not to give away the answer. What the? Okay. I mean, it kind of looks like his face, but not really. So, is this another XO? Okay. Well, that was easy. Wow, you solved it! And you did it all without my help! Incredible! I'm impressed! You must care about puzzles like I do! Well, I'm sure you'll love the next puzzle then. It might even be too easy for you. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, hi, Sans. I'll talk to you. Good job of solving it so quickly. You didn't even need my help, which is great, because I love doing absolutely nothing. Oh, what's this? Hey, it's the human. You're gonna love this puzzle. It was made by the great Dr. Alpheus. You see, these tiles, once I throw this switch, they will begin to change color. Each color has a different function. Red tiles are impassable. You cannot walk on them. Yellow tiles are electric. They will electrocute you. Green tiles are alarm tiles. If you step on them, you will have to fight a monster. Orange tiles are orange scented. They'll make you smell delicious. Blue tiles are water tiles. Swim through if you like, but if you smell like oranges, the piranhas will bite you. Also, if a blue tile is next to a yellow tile, the water will also zap you. Purple tiles are slippery. You will slide to the next tile. However, the slippery smells like lemons, which piranhas do not like. Purple and blue are okay. Finally, pink tiles. They don't do it. Step in them all you like. How was that? Understand? Understand the explanation? Of course, I can do this. Great then, there's one last thing. This puzzle is entirely random then. When I pull the switch, it will make a puzzle that has never been seen before. Now even I will know the solution. Get ready. Oh god. Okay, so I already know this. What is going on? This is hurting my brain. Wait, so was that it? Pink tiles don't do anything, red tiles you can't step. Oh, I kind of actually wanted to do the puzzle. Well, okay. Look at all these. Knowing the dog will never give up trying to make the perfect snow dog, it fills you with determination. It's the broken head of a snow dog. A dog just rushed in here, filled with inspiration. Kept trying to build a snow dog that expressed its emotion. But as it built, it kept getting more excited about the sculpture. Its neck got longer and it added more and more snow until it was rather sad to watch, but I couldn't turn away. Oh god, another one of these. Okay, I think so. The ice is slippery, so it'll make me do that. Okay, so no, I can't. Wait, no, I fell. Oh wait, is that papyrus? It's a snow papyrus. Well, it's a lump of snow with the word sands written on it. Ah, sandsy, sands. That was lazy. You could have. That snow papyrus actually kind of looks good. Oh, are you kidding? It fell again? So when I fall, it resets. Okay, I see how it is. Come on. I can do this. Woohoo! Building a bridge. There we go. Up or down? I'm gonna go down. I said
What is that? That is the creepiest. Wait a sec. Sans, how are you teleporting? Guy from Gift Trot confronts you. Okay. Gift Trot. Okay. Gift. Gift Trot refuses your gift. How do I know it's not a trick? Oh god. Is this like a blue? Oh, that's a taffy. Undecorate. You remove a small confused dog. That's a little better. Oh, that's. He likes it when I undecorate him. You remove a stocky filled with chicken nuggets. That's a little better. Should I just keep removing stuff? You remove the barbed wire made of good. A weight has been lifted. I'm not under. You try to undecorate. Oh, so that's his regular look? Okay. Bye bye. Did you favor? Hello. Say, are you following me? Kind of think you're following me because you seem like you're teleporting all over the place. And there's creepy eyes looking at me. Okay. Oh, what's this? It's a snow puff. And this is a snow puff. This, however, is a snow puff. Surprisingly, it's a snow puff. Snow puff. Is it really a snow puff? What is it? Oh, it's a doggy! Hello! What the heck? No, don't fight me! Pet. Where your dog is too far away to pet. You just pet the air. Wow, okay. Blue, okay. I can do this. I'm not gonna ignore Beckett, right? You called me greater dog. It bounced towards you, flecking slobber into your face. Ew. Oh god. No! I have 5 HP. Do I have anything to eat after night? No, straight you have a hug. Okay. It's just saying bark. Is that an attack? Okay. Pet? Prayer dog curls up in your lap as it's pet by you. It gets so comfortable it falls asleep. Then it wakes up. It's so excited. Oh god. Don't hurt me. Let's try playing now. You make a snowball and throw it for the dog to fetch. It splats on the ground. Bear dog picks up all the snow in the area and brings it to you. Now the dog is very tired. Rests its head on you. Oh god. Why is it still trying to spear me though? Okay, pet. As you pet the dog, it sinks its entire weight into you. Oh god. You move it slow, but you still haven't pet enough. Oh god, no! I hit. So it does hurt. I want to pet again. You pet decisively. Pet capacity reaches 100%. The dog floats over with its legs hanging in the air. Okay. Yes. Oh! Yay! There. Aww. Oh! He jumped out. He licked my face. Oh, he back in. Okay, bye-bye. And how is the armor even moving? Like, is it like a robot where it's just like moves by itself?
Heal then! This is your final and most dangerous challenge. Behold the gauntlet of deadly terror.
Oh my god.
When I say the word, it will...
I just noticed there's a dog.
Hello.
Word.
It will fully activate. Cannons will fire, spikes will swing, blades will slice. Each part will swing violently up and down. Only the tiniest chance of victory will remain. Are you ready? Because I am about to do it.
Whoa, what's the hold up?
Hold up? What hold up? I'm about to activate now.
Oh shoot, wrong voice again. That doesn't look very activated.
Well, this challenge, it seems maybe too easy to be thinking we want. Yeah, we can use this one. I am a skeleton with standards. My puzzles are very fair, and my traps are expertly cooked. But this method is too direct. No class at all. Away it goes. looking at? This was another decisive victory for Papyrus. Yeah! Heh. Heh.
I don't know what my brother's gonna do next, but if I were you, I would make sure I understand blue attacks. Okay, bye, Sans. Welcome to Snowden! Welcome to Snowden Town. Oh, shut up. Hello, traveler. How can I help you? I already have a tough glove. Okay. It has abs on it. Bicycle. I'm gonna cinnamon. And okay. Bye. Bye now. Come again sometime. The sight of such a friendly town fills you with determination. What's this, an inn? Oh, hello. Can I break in? Okay. Welcome to Snowden. Snowden's premier hotel. One night is AG. No. Well, feel free to come back anytime. What will that do anyways? Is it skip a day? This is such a good town. Whoa, hello, man. You look like kind of like a dinosaur or something. Yo, you're a kid too, right? I can tell because you're wearing a strap shirt. Okay. Grillby's. A restaurant. Is a restaurant. Hi, guys. I remember you. Aw, wait. Hello, lesser dog. It's playing poker against itself. It appears to be losing. How does it lose to itself? Okay. Hi. Grillb said that he'd offer you a glass of water, but he doesn't touch this stuff. Oh. Okay, so I guess I can't order anything? That sucks, okay. Sorry I'm not talking to much monsters, guys, but I'm just trying to move along. What's up here? Oh, what's this, a rock? Ah, to be young again, the world sure felt boundless. Is this yours, kids? Let's play monsters and humans. You aren't gonna make me be the human again, are you? Oh, wait a second. I'm having flashback, guys. I think when I was younger, I used to watch this song called The Ice Wolf, I think. And this guy looks exactly like it. Here, let me sing it. Grab that block of, okay, there. Grab that block of ice. Okay. That's only one. It's basically that, and then the whole song goes like that. It's basically the whole song. It's just like, grab that block of ice. I want it to be copyrighted or whatever. Welcome to the library. Yes, we know the sign is misspelled. Wait, it is? Library. Ha! Okay. There's all these books I don't really care about. Okay. What the? This mailbox is labeled Papyrus. Oh! Look inside, yes. It's empty. No. It's a mailbox overflowing with unread. Yeah. I think that's one Papyrus and this is Sans. Okay. Oh, what's that? Okay. Wait, I'm leaving the town already? I guess I have to. I mean, continuing on. Okay. Wait, I just want to see what I am. That's cool. I don't really have that much, but. What the? Wait a second, that's Papyrus' shadow.
Human, allow me to tell you about some complex feelings. Feelings like the joy of finding another pastel lover, the admiration of another's puzzle-solving skills, the desire to have a cool, smart person think you are cool. These feelings, they must be what you are feeling right now. I can hardly imagine what it must be like to feel that way. After all, I am great. I don't ever wonder what having lots of friends is like. I pity you, lonely human. Worry not, you shall be lonely no longer. I, the great Papyrus, will be your... No, this is all wrong. I can't be your friend. You are a human. I must capture you. Then I can fulfill my lifelong dream. Powerful, popular, prestigious. That's Papyrus, the newest member of the Royal Guard. Well, we're gonna play Papyrus. Oh my god. Insult. No! Wait a second, the only good thing is flirt.
Nope, I'm gonna check. The virus, he likes to say nyeh, 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 nyeh. Wait a second, you just said it. Are you reading Are you reading my thoughts? The virus prepares a non-bone attack, then spends a minute fixing his mistake. Spare? You won't fight. Then let's see if we can handle my fatal blue attack. Oh god. Haha. What? What? Wait a second. It's gravity on me. You're blue now. That's my attack. Oh god. It seems like the only thing to do, guys, is flirt. The virus is too busy fighting to flirt. Oh, so it's not gonna work? Okay. Well, I guess now all I have to do is press the spare button. How high can you jump? Very. I mean, you did make me not floatable, so now I can't float. And now I have gravity. I can almost taste my future popularity. No. Pirates, unbarreled spaghetti. Oh, I can't. You know, pirates say some really weird stuff. I jump over this. Wait. Item. Wait a second. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Bicycle. You eat one half of the bicycle. You recover. The king will trim a hedge in the shape of my smile. Oh, God. My brother, well, he won't change much. By the way, guys, I'm not reading much of his dialogue. Let's try to focus. Oh god. Leave the unicycle. You recover. I'll have lots of admirers, but oh god. Oh god! Don't hurt me, Fires, please. Someone like you is really rare. Oh god. I'm gonna die. Don't kill me, Fires. Why do I? Jesus, he's strong. My god. I don't think they'll let you go. Oh. This song is so good. It's the best song ever heard. This song's gonna get stuck in my head, so I can't stop. Give up or I'm gonna attack. Gotta jump over all these things. Yeah, very soon I'll use my special attack. What special attack? Oh god. Oh! Die! I only have 2 HP left. There's nothing I can do. No, too long and I will use them. Oh! No, wait, what's going on? You're too weak. I was easily able to catch you. I'll now send you to the capture zone, or Sans calls it, our garage. You're in the doghouse now. Oh, I'm literally in the doghouse. Okay. Which do I have to start over? Hold up, guys. I'll pause and I'll come back where I was. Okay. Okay, guys. Think this is where I was. I don't really know. If it's not exactly where I was, then I don't really care. Not too long, and I will use that special attack. Oh god. Okay. Wait.
is your last chance before my special attack.
You keep saying your special attack, but you're never using it. Are you just scared to use it?
Behold my special attack.
Wait a second, was a bone gonna come right there like psh?
What the heck? That's my special attack. Hey, you stupid dog.
How rude! Don't call it stupid.
Do you hear me? Stop munching on that bone. Hey, what are you doing? Come back here with my special attack. Oh well, I'll just use a really cool regular attack.
Virus is getting ready for a regular attack.
So here's an absolute normal attack.
Oh god. Okay.
What the?
Wait! This is kind of super for a regular attack. Oh god. Cool dude. Oh god. I got rid of the dude. What? Wait a second, I'm flying again.
I'm flying.
What the heck was that? Hello. Whee! Hello, mister. Oh.
Well, it's clear.
You can't. Wait. I can see you shaking in your boots. Therefore, I, the great papyrus, elect to grant you priority. I will spare you, human. Now's your chance to accept my mercy. There we go.
I can't even stop someone as weak as you. Undead's gonna be disappointed in me. I'll never join the Royal Garden.
My friend quantity will remain stagnant. What should you say? Let's be friends.
Really? You want to be my friend with me? Well then, I guess I can make an allowance for you.
Well, I have friends. And who knew? Who knew that all I needed to make them was to give people awful puzzles and then fight them? You taught me a lot, human. I hereby grant you permission to pass through. I'll give you directions to the surface. Continue forward until you reach to the end of the cavern. Then, when you reach the cavern, cross the barrier. That's the magical seal trapping us all underground. Anything can enter through it, but nothing can exit. Except someone with a powerful soul.
Like you! That's why the king wants to acquire a human. He wants to open the barrier with soul power.
Then us monsters can return to the surface.
Oh, I almost forgot to tell you. To reach the exit, you'll have to pass through the king's castle. The king of the monsters. He is, well, he's a big fuzzy pushover. Everybody loves that guy. I'm certain if you just say, "Excuse me, Mr. Dreamer, can I please go home?" he'll guide you right to the barrier himself. Anyway, that's enough talking. I'll be at home being a cool friend. Feel free to come by and hang out. Yeah.
What the heck is he levitating? Well, I guess we made a new friend. So we have Sans, Papyrus, and Torio as our friend. Well, we can't. Wait a second. Don't we have Torio's phone? We call her dialing. Nobody picked up. Okay, so I guess. What's this place? This place looks very wet. Anything? Oh, it's Sans. Well, I guess this is where we'll end it, guys. The sound of rushing water fills you with determination. So I guess this is where we'll end it. If you did like it, definitely like or subscribe if you didn't already. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.